Hi folks, this is number 3C on page 564 from the unit 4 assignment. So they give us this relation here and they want us to find the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point 5 root 3 negative 12. Notice here that they give us the full point as we often need that when we're using implicit differentiation to find a derivative. Okay, so let's start by finding dy dx so that we can use that to determine the slope of the line we're looking for. Okay, so let's take the derivative with respect to x of both sides. So here I've got 1 over 25 is just a constant, so derivative of x squared is 2x. Minus here my 1 over 36 is just a constant, and now I'm taking the derivative of y squared with respect to x, so I have to use the chain rule, so that's 2y times dy dx. I'll use y prime just to make things simpler, just keeping in mind that that represents the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, and then the derivative of negative 1, just a constant, so 0. Okay, so let's solve for this here. So on the left we'll have 2x over 25, and on the right, well here let's simplify that, so that's 1 over 18. So we end up with y prime over 18, and so y prime is just equal to, so bring the 18 to the other side, so that's 36x over 25. And here we're going to divide y to the other side, so over 25y. Okay, so this is our derivative of y with respect to x. So now, since I want to find the equation of tangent at this particular point, let me use this point to find the slope that I'm going to be using. So the slope of my line will be given by 36 times the x value, which is 5 root 3, over 25 times y, which is negative 12. Okay, so here we've got 12 and 36, simplifies, and 5 and 25. Okay, and so here we're left with 3 root 3. And we've got the negative there from the denominator, so negative 3 root 3 over 5. Okay, so now that I've got my slope and I've got my point, I can find the equation of the line, so I'll use the slope-intercept form. So our y value is negative 12, our slope is negative 3 root 3 over 5, our x value is 5 root 3, and then plus b, and we'll solve for b. So here the 5's reduce, and root 3 times root 3 is just equal to 3, so I've got negative 12 equals negative 3 times 3, negative 9 plus b, so b is just equal to negative 12 plus 9 is negative 3. Okay, so that means that the equation of the line is given by, in slope-intercept form, negative 3 root 3 over 5, the slope, times x, minus 3. And there's the answer. Okay, so just to recap here, it makes sense to use implicit differentiation here. Okay, and then because of that, we end up needing both the x and y to find the slope, and then just use that to find the equation of the line. Okay, there's the full solution, and that's it for this one.